So what is Apex Shift? When faced with trying circumstances, the common thing to do is to avoid the change. However, as followers of Christ, we are called to change. To actively answer this call, one's perspective must shift. And only through this shift can a follower of Christ fully assume the responsibility of reflecting God's unchanging character in a forever changing world. Welcome to Apex Shift.
Hello, I'm Eliana, and I am an Ascend Challenge student, and this is my second Apex.
Hi, my name is Trent Ryder, and I'm an Ascend Foundation student. This is my second time at Apex.
Hi, I'm Destiny. I am a Ascend Challenge student, and this is my second year at Apex.
Apex is Unbound's student-led convention held once every year.
Last year at Apex, I wasn't fully committed, but this year I was overwhelmingly committed and couldn't wait for it to start.
Yeah, so my first time at Apex was absolutely amazing. It's the community was very friendly right away. I knew absolutely no one. I came in and had tons of friends for probably like the second or third day. But this year it's my second year, so I've had so many friends to talk to, so many people to catch up with. Also, I'm now part of Ascend, so getting to know my Ascend team, working through the challenges with them, and just figuring out what the rest of the year is going to be like. It's just been a great week.
My first time attending Apex, I had a lot of nervous excitement, and I was very introverted, so I didn't involve myself as much as this year. This year I was more confident, and it was a lot more impactful, so I think that was the biggest difference. This time it feels like we're more connected, as in like we want to work together as a team more professionally, but and grow our friendship at the same time.
So 3 words I would use to describe Apex 2025 are community, fun, and learning.
Inspiring, challenging, and unifying.
Apex 2025 is a community for Christ.
Personally, I would say it's been a time of great learning. I've learned quite a bit through the sessions. I've also been able to connect with a lot of old friends. This is my second time at Apex, being able to see old friends, being able to talk with them again.
Or as you know them, the Toad Games.
The key to capture the flag is mostly to just stay in control of what you're doing and make sure you don't get ahead of yourself. Also, don't beat yourself up if something doesn't go right and you end up face planting or messing something up. Above all, it's just been an amazing event so far.
Apex is a fun group of people that are all committed to stay connected and pursue community through change.
You guys are crushing it.
A big theme of Apex this year has been change and learning how to both endure change and to cause changes that you need to make. My biggest takeaway from the overall theme so far has been the importance of community, both in making change and surviving it. So sometimes life happens, life knocks you flat, and there's always people around who can help. Sometimes we don't make use of that. We choose to stay isolated and just take the hits on our own, but we don't have to do that. There is an amazing community of people. Unbound is certainly a great community. Your church is another. Family is always there for you. So my biggest takeaway would be to continue making use of the community, but also being there for them as well.
My biggest takeaway from Apex 2025 would be to embrace change with resilience, because I believe it will help me adapt and thrive in unexpected transitions throughout the year. This week has been an amazing mix of intensity, new friendships, and personal breakthroughs.
My biggest takeaway from Apex is that change is inevitable, so we need to be willing to shift in new directions that God is leading us.
I would definitely recommend coming to Apex at some point. Hope to see you there sometime.